Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Hey everyone, it's Lucy from Fun-Keys. Today we're going to be learning how to play Primavera by Einaudi. So this is a super fun song. It's very repetitive, very pretty, and it's a beautiful piece of music. But the trick to it is actually just the pattern that changes. So we're going to look at that in a little while. But first, before you do that, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe to us on our channel. And I hope you enjoy this video. So we're going to start today with the left hand. Now this piece is slightly different because both hands are in the treble clef for the part that we're going to learn. So the left hand actually starts on middle C. Now the first part of the left hand repeats twice. There's a slight variation on the second time between the first, but it is super simple once you get it. So we start on middle C, then we jump up to G, then we jump up to the C above that. Then we go back down to the G, back up to C, and back down to G. Then this whole cycle repeats, but instead of playing the same thing again, we just change the first note. So the first time we play it, we do C. Then we play E flat, then G and C again. Then D, G and C again. And then we have to reach all the way down to B flat. Now, just in case you aren't aware, our flat keys are the black keys and they sit below the notes. So for E flat, we're going to go below E. And for B flat, we're going to go below B. There you are. So if you put that first part together, it sounds a little bit like this. Just so you know, you can pause, rewind this video at any point. So if you miss something, just go back and watch it again. Here's the first part. There you go. Okay, so what happens now is we repeat the first 3 cycles of that again, or bars, as we say in music. So we do C, E flat, D, but then we just play C, G, C, G, C. And that's the first time round. So let's play the first time round, okay? Are we ready? E flat, D, B flat. And again, E flat, D, and then C, G, C, G, C. That's the first time. So the second time we do it, we do the exact same thing, but that final bar, all we do is we just hold the C. So instead of going, we just hold the C for 3 counts. There you go. So let's try it from the beginning up to there with the 2 repeats in. I will talk you through it as we do it, and we'll do it under tempo. We'll speed it up at the end when we've got everything together. So let's try it. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. E flat, D, B flat, back to C, E flat, D, C, G, C, G, C, back to the beginning. E flat, D, B flat, C, E flat, D, hold C for 3. Yay, there we go. Now that's the first part of the left hand. The second part of the left hand, of the part we're going to play, goes a little bit like this. We're playing the same rhythm, we're just changing the notes ever so slightly. So the first 2 cycles, or the first 2 bars, are exactly the same. We're doing C, then flat, but then we're playing F, and then back to C. That just repeats, so you do C, E flat, F, and then you do C, G, C, G, C, and you hold it the second time, you don't go down to the G. So that whole second section of the left hand, let's do that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. F, C, C, E flat, F, F, sorry, C, and hold the C. There you go. Fabulous. Okay, so that's the left hand all the way through for this part that we're going to learn. Now let's look at the right hand. So the left hand is completely on its own for that first part, the first part that we did that ends on the held C. And then once we start the new section of the left hand where it changes, and you've got the F, that's when the right hand comes in. So the right hand melody starts all the way up here on this C. That's 2 whole octaves above middle C. So the left hand's going to be here and the right hand's going to be here. So it's very high up on the piano. So all you're doing in the right hand is you're holding C for 3 beats. You go 1, 2, 3. Then you move to B flat, that note we've already looked at in the left hand, all the way up here in the right hand. You hold that for 3 beats. Then you're playing A, B flat, A, G, A, G. That's the notes. The rhythm goes like this. 1, 2, 3, B flat, 2, 3, A, B flat, A, G, A, G. There you go. Let's do it one more time. Ready? And C, 2, 3, B flat, 2, 3, A, B flat, A, G, A, G, 2, 3. Got it? Remember, if you don't have it, you can pause this video and rewind. The next part is very, very similar, but this time we're going to play C, then you're going to play B flat, C, B flat. And that B flat and C before the final B flat is very, very quick. So it goes... Yeah, let's do that one more time. C, 2, 3, 2, 3. And then the final part is A, B flat, C, G, 2, 3. Yeah? So those 2 phrases then, let's put them together really slowly. They go a little bit like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. C, 2, 3. B flat, 2, 3. A, B flat, A, G, A, G, 2, 3. Back to C, 2, 3, 2, 3. A, B flat, C, G, 2, 3. And that's the right hand. So now all we need to do is put them together. But before we do this, please make sure that you have got that left hand and you've got that right hand, because you cannot put them together until you know both of them as well as you possibly can. So as I said, pause the video, rewind, slow it down if you have to, but just make sure you've got both hands consistently. Okay, so to put them together, all you have to remember is that the left hand keeps moving. It keeps doing that quaver rhythm. So I'm going to show you how we put the right hand and the left hand together. The first 2 phrases, the first 2 bars are super, super simple, because all you do is you play the left hand as it is and you hold those right hand notes over the top. So you start with the C. Then when you move to the E flat in the left hand, you move to the B flat in your right hand. This next bit, watch very carefully. You play the F and the G in the left hand with the A in your right hand. So it goes F, G, then you play the B flat in your right hand with the C and G in your left hand. Then you play the A, G, A in your right hand with the C and the G in your left hand. So it goes. And then you play the G, the held G in your right hand with the next bar on your left hand. So let's just put that together very, very slowly. Okay, ready? We go. C. Yeah, got that? If not, go back. Watch it slowly. Watch how I do it. Have a listen. Do it again. If you got that, great stuff. Let's do the next bit. So the next section, you're holding that C for 2 beats, two and a half beats, up to that C. Then when you play the final G in your left hand, you're playing the B flat and C in your right hand. So it goes. Then you're moving to that B flat in the right hand and you're holding it down for the whole bar, this next bit. Then you're doing A in your right hand with the F and G in your left hand. Then you're playing A with the C, B flat with the G, and then the C in your right hand with the C and G in your left hand. And then the whole bar of G in your right hand with the whole bar in your left hand. And that's that. Let's just do that second phrase, hands together, a little bit faster, so not broken up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, got that? If not, go back and repeat it. Go over it as many times as you need to. But if you have got it, great stuff. We're going to try those two phrases now, hands together. Same speed, and then we'll speed it up, okay? Are we ready? And. There you go. Now, all you can do from here is you can go back and practice that and speed it up slightly until you get it. But now I'm going to play it at the correct speed and then we're going to put it all together with the left hand, okay? So actually, no, let's do it just slightly faster, not quite full speed, but a little bit faster than what we were just playing. So, hands together from that second section in the left and right hand. We're going to play. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go, that's slightly sped up. Now let's do the whole thing from the beginning, left hand and then right hand joining in, hands together, but this time I'm going to do it at the proper speed. So only do this section when you are completely comfortable with the left hand and the right hand, okay? And if you need to, slow it down until you can do it at full speed. But this is how it should sound, full speed from the beginning, hands together. Okay, are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Did we do it? Tell you what, let's just do that second section with both hands together again at that speed, okay? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Did you do it? Great stuff if so. Well done. That is a super tricky song, so really awesome stuff. If you didn't, no worries. Keep practicing, keep rewinding, go back at a slightly slower speed, speed it up until you get it. Okay guys, well done. Awesome stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video and learning this amazing, beautiful song by Einaudi. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you comment and let us know what videos you'd like to see and how you got on with this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you all later and have a great weekend. Bye!
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our funky splash cards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.